Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you all the controls and dressers in XIAOMI Sound Outdoor speaker you have to know. Using the minus button and plus button we can increase or decrease our volume level. Plus will increase, minus will decrease. If we click this button we can play our music, as you can see, and pause. As you can see, it works nice. If we double tap on the play button, we can go to the next song, and if we triple tap, we can go to the previous song. But I don't have this Spotify Premium, so I won't show you that we are going to the previous song. If you want to call Siri, we have to just hold this button here. It's working, as you can see. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.